Hi, my name is Jason Crawford. I am a veteran from the United States Army. I served for 10 years, including a tour in Iraq, and one of the things that I was most excited about was coming home and using my VA benefits, which would allow me to purchase a house with no mortgage insurance and have a lower interest rate. While I was searching for my house, I was discouraged from using it because the VA loan has more steps involved, it is more complex. But at the end of the day, I worked with Rebecca Foote's mortgage team, and I was able to step through the process with their help, and I was able to finally purchase the home of our dreams, all because of Rebecca Foote mortgage team.
Don't hand me a VA pre-approval, or can't they get a conventional loan? These are two comments I hear most often from real estate agents when I tell them the buyer is using a VA loan, and it tears me apart inside. Veterans, what is it that they do? They literally sign up to protect our Constitution, to protect our freedom and our rights, and in some cases even giving their lives in doing so. We live in central Pennsylvania, an area full of active duty and retired military. And I hear all the time, don't hand me that VA pre-approval. And I want to set the record straight because it tells me that there's a big misconception about VA loans in our area. And it lets me know that agents are informing sellers incorrectly. And today we're going to explain to you why you should accept that VA offer. So I started asking sellers and real estate agents, would you take a VA contract? Would you entertain a VA loan? Would you submit a VA offer? How are you advising your sellers when looking at VA offers compared to conventional, compared to other loan types? And what I found was shocking. Misconception number one, VA loans take longer to close, 45, 60, even 90 days. This is just not true. If the veteran is pre-approved up front by a good lender like me and my team, it's very common for the VA loans to close in less time than a conventional loan. So it's just not true because we can close these loans fast. So misconception number one, just not true. Misconception number two is that VA loans require an extra checklist on the appraisal. And yes, it's true, there is an extra checklist, but it's really not a problem. If the house is in good condition and repairs were made prior to the house getting listed, like it should be on any loan, then it's really not a problem. Unless you have exposed wiring, broken windows, trim missing, stuff that should have been taken care of before the house is listed anyway, then it's not a problem anyway. In fact, Pennsylvania just changed their regulations when it comes to VA appraisals. VA appraisers now have 7 business days to complete a VA appraisal. And again, another misconception debunked. And misconception number 3 is that a VA buyer is not a well-qualified buyer, that they have to do 100% financing. You see, a VA loan allows a veteran to do up to 100% financing. But most veterans do have money to put down, but they choose not to because they choose to leave the money in other investments. But the one that really boils my blood is that I hear from a lot of different sellers and agents is that the veteran has no skin in the game. Are you kidding me? They have no skin in the game? They're the ones that go out and sign up to give their lives for our freedom. They're the ones that get deployed from their families for months on end and sometimes years. They're the ones that lose their limbs on the battlefield, come home with the PTSD and shed their blood for us. They have all the skin in the game. Many people are being told not to accept VA offers because of misconceptions in the marketplace. If I'm selling my home, you can better believe I'm going to look at those VA offers. Why wouldn't I want to sell my home to somebody who is willing to lay down their life to protect me and my family? Reality is, closing is not an issue if the veteran is qualified up front by a good quality lender like myself and my team. And this should be done on every loan type up front. Appraisals, again, not an issue because if the house is in good condition like it should be before it's listed for sale, it's not going to have a problem on the VA appraisal. And skin in the game, as we said, they have all the skin in the game. So if you're an agent or a seller, I urge you to consider those VA offers. Veterans are buying lots of homes right now, and they should not be treated any differently. If you live in America, you cherish our freedom and you value our democracy, and you should honor your veterans. Agents, if you need help getting your VA offers accepted or explaining VA loans to your sellers, please let us help you. Veterans, thank you for your service. I'm Rebecca Foote with the Rebecca Foote Mortgage Team, and thanks for watching Homemade PA.